those cold hands, same sky every day. Posture stays steady, girl, the world drifts away. But I'm 19 with a heart that won't hush, and a head full of someday, and a pocket full of dust. The roof needs mending, Ma's boots are thin. My little brother's growing and the winter's moving in. So I fold up my courage like a letter in my coat, kiss the porch like goodbye, and I catch that riverboat. I love him like the rain loves the field, but love don't always pay the bill. I wanna be more than help and honey, I want a name that comes with money. Hear the bell of Lowell calling, calling, like a song through the morning fog in the loom light. I'm not small, I'm not stalling, I'm a spark in a room full of thunder and cloth. I'll work till my arms are aching, aching, but my hands will be mine when the day is done. And every week I'll send it home, no faking, 'cause it feels like freedom when you earn what you've won. Boarding house rules and a curfew at night, but I got my own key and it fits me just right. Girls in the hallway with their hair pinned tight, trading stories like pennies in the lantern light. There's a book on my pillow and a wage in my hand, and the city's loud heartbeat makes me understand. I can buy my some tea, I can fix up the door, I can be what the farm never had room for. It's strange how the world can open wide when you learn you can stand on your own two sides. I miss the creak and the kitchen hymn, but I breathe like I'm beginning again. Hear the bell of Lowell calling, calling, like a song through the morning fog in the loom light. I'm not small, I'm not stalling, I'm a spark in a room full of thunder and cloth. I'll work till my arms are aching, aching, but my hands will be mine when the day is done. And every week I'll send it home, no faking, 'cause it feels like freedom when you earn what you've won. But don't you paint it pretty? Listen close, cotton in the air like a silent snow. Threads on the spindles, hair near the wheel. One wrong step and the steel don't feel. The floor shakes hard, the sound won't quit. Some girls cough like the dust moved in, and I've seen a sleeve get caught too fast. A scream and the foreman says back to task. So I pray in the noise where the daylight can't reach. Hold my breath between the rhythm and the heat. I'm brave, I'm scared, I'm both at once. I'm a daughter, I'm a worker, I'm becoming someone. Hear the bell of Lowell calling, calling, and I answer with a steady heart. In the loom light, I keep on walking, walking, even knowing every day could come apart. I'll work till my arms are aching, aching, but my future's more than what I'm running from. And every week I'll send it home, no faking, 'cause it feels like freedom. Yeah, it feels like freedom when you earn what you've won.